That's the power of global surgery. That's the power of really helping people, of really doing science. Most importantly, it's a powerful reminder that this is one of the most amazing gifts that we all can receive. A medical degree. It is a ticket to helping people, really helping people, to doing science, to really doing science. And quite simply, it is a ticket to this.
I was upset, frightened, scared, frustrated. And that's when I met you in the little waiting room. And I was listening to you and I started crying because I was very sad that I didn't know she was going through this. And then I was also very, very, very extremely grateful and happy that you did the surgery for us. For her and for me, for our family. I am so grateful for you all.
You can change somebody's life overnight. You can take them out of social isolation and put them back in society.
Oh, it would change his life. He'd be very happy.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
I'll close with this. Embedded in those words that you just heard is a powerful but subtle lesson, message. Yes, global surgery can transform lives meaningfully, powerfully, permanently, beautifully, but perhaps the most notable life that it can change is your own. Thank you.